I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to evaluate logarithms. Now I'll take up very simple examples to begin with and follow it up with another set of videos. Now let us say we have log to the base 2 of 8, and we'll see how to evaluate this. I'll have a few more examples, and let me just put some examples here. Log to the base 3 of 27, and let's say log to the base 5 of 25. I'm taking very simple examples, and we may just write log 1000, right? So these are logarithms which we need to evaluate. How to evaluate these logarithms? Now, writing them as these numbers in terms of exponents of base helps us to evaluate logarithms. So that is the foundation. So we could write this log to the base 2 of 8 as log to the base 2 of 8 could be written as 2 cubed. Now, so log to the base 2 of 2 is 1, and that could be written as 3. So log to the base 2 of 8 is 3. Let's do the next one, which is log to the base 3 of 27. I could write 27 as 3 to the power of 3, right? So 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So this also results into 3. Next one here is log to the base 5 of 25. You can write 25 as 5 square. So the answer is 2. Now if I do not write any base here, that means it is log to the base of 10, right? That means log to the base 10. And this is 10 cubed. So when the bases are same for the exponent and the log, the result is the exponent 3. So that is how you can actually solve these kinds of questions. Now let me extend this list and take a reciprocal of these numbers, and I can say log to the base of, let us say just 100, and then we'll say add one more here, log, I want to write something over something, so let me write 1 over 9 and make this base as 3. Now you can pause the video, answer these questions. Now these questions could be answered as, I could write this as log to the base 10 of, what is 1 over 100? 1 over 100 is 10 to the power of minus 2. So we get minus 2 here as a result. Log to the base 3 of, 1 over 9 is 3 to the power of minus 2. So minus 2 is the answer. So that is how you can do such questions, right? So I hope this part is very clear. So these are relatively simple questions to begin with, but they form the foundation for solving logarithmic equations, right? So I hope now with this set of examples you can appreciate how we can find logarithm of such values. Now let me introduce you to some square root kind of things, right? For example, now I'll complicate it a bit. So I'll write in the reverse fashion. I could have log to the base 4 of 2. So these are kind of different. Log to the base 9 of, let us say, 3. And then I'll take log to the base 9 of 27. Let us see how to solve these questions now. Now I have to write 2 as 4 to the power of something. So 4 to the power of what is 2? We know square root of 4, or 4 to the power of half is 2. Therefore, log to the base 4 of 2 is half. Do you get the idea? Similarly, I could write log to the base 9 of 3 as, 3 could be written as square root of 9. Do you understand? So 9 to the power of half. So half is my answer. So when you cannot directly get the answer like that, you could involve square roots. Now this is kind of tricky. We have to write 27 as 9 power. Now we know 27 is 3 square. So 27 could be written as, 3 cube, right? 27 is 3 cube. But we want to write 3 as 9. We know we can write 3 as 9 like this. Log 3 could be written as, this is to the base 9. 9 to the power of half. Do you see? Square root of 9 is 3. And then cube. And therefore, the answer for this will be 3 over 2. Do you get the idea? So 3 over 2. So that is how we can actually also do the same thing involving radical roots, correct? So now here are practice questions for you. I would like you to write answer for these questions. So I'm writing here, let us say first I'll write 5 and 25 cube root. This is kind of simpler, but this is complicated. When I write 25 here, and then give you cube root of 5 here. Now how are you going to do these questions? So these are your test questions. Think about it and then try to solve them. We'll take up such videos in the next list, and let me add one more when we are here. It is to the base 5, and then we'll have 625 cube root. This is similar to one of these which we have taken. Rather, I should point to that side, right? Because 625 could be written as 5 exponent. In any case, I would like you to solve these 3 questions and then move on to the next set of videos. I hope that helps. Thank you.